Alright, my people, still your guy aka Zimaris. Yeah, I'm back again to drop what is happening inside sport. What is happening inside transfer news. So now, uh, according to the news reaching us now, the news I'm hearing currently now is this: Madrid has appointed Xabi Alonso as their next manager. It's done and dusted. Why Carlos Ancelotti head to Brazil is now a head coach of Brazil national team. So now, uh, in that case, Xabi Alonso has also made it a notice to Madrid board that the current defenders he sees in Madrid team is not enough for him, and they are going for the World Club Cup. So Madrid decided to attack the market. As I'm talking to you now, Madrid is active working for defenders. One is left back, second is center back. These two options need to be attacked as soon as possible. They don't want to wait because they want the two defenders to join them with Trent Alexander-Arnold for the Club World Cup. Now, they have three players in their list. One is Saliba of Arsenal, two is Ibrahim Konate of Liverpool, and the third is the Hudson of Bournemouth. Now, let's check how the transfer is going. According to Saliba deal, it seems to be impossible. Anything can still happen, but for me, on my own side, I think it's impossible because Arsenal want to keep the player. They are in negotiation to extend his contract, and they want to keep the player even for this summer. Maybe the player can leave 2026. Then another deal that seems to be possible there is Ibrahim Konate of Liverpool due to they are in negotiation to extend the contract, but everything seems to not moving to the right direction. And the guy has just 1 year contract left on his current deal, which is 2026. So Madrid want to attack the deal as soon as possible. Then thirdly is the Hansen. We all knows that the guy is doing great in the Premier League. In fact, his numbers are uncountable, and he's a Spanish national team player. He's open to join Madrid. As a player, when club like Madrid come knocking, you don't have option than to consider. That's the game. Now, the guy is open to join Madrid with full heart. So, but in that deal, Premier League team club are also attached to it. Club like Chelsea, Arsenal, Liverpool, they are attacking the deal. As I'm talking to you now, they are all interested. They want to activate the 50 million release clause on the Hansen. So, but now, the player, according to the latest now, the player mind is set to join Madrid. Yeah, we understand that. But don't forget the Premier League club are also attacking the deal. So now, in the other side of the transfer is Bayern Munich. Bayern Munich is also actively working on Jonathan Tah of Bayer Leverkusen. Due to Eric Dyer head to Monaco, so they decided to bring in another center defender. Are you getting me? Central defense, where that will also cover the absence of Eric Dyer. So now on the other side, Liverpool also in advanced negotiation to buy Jeremy Fepo of I don't know that name is so strong. Fepo of Bayer Leverkusen. They want to use him as a replacement for Trent Alexander-Arnold. So now the main focus now is Madrid. How do you think Madrid should attack the market now? Who do you think among these three central defenders I mentioned, do you think Madrid is perfectly suited for Madrid playing style? Saliba, Ibrahim Konate, or the Hudson of Bournemouth? So I want to understand how this deal goes through now. But don't write Premier League team off. Club like Chelsea,